Say they're playing outside. Just got done playing with Mummy, so you did, huh? And they're so dirty now. Say the other two pups are at the vet, and one already left. Huh? Huh? What are you doing? And what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Say, this is Cecilia's puppy right here with the purple collar. What are you doing? You are so dirty. Yins are so dirty. Yes, yins are. See, I'm sure that I can't even walk fast enough to get ahead of yins guys, huh? Yeah. Say, we can some, huh? Yeah, huh? The yins are so funny. This guy's ready to go in, huh? He's ready to go in, huh? See Cecilia's puppy there. Julie, that already has one of my pups there. And them two are mine. The other ones were getting cropped, huh? Yes, okay. All right, come on. Come on, get you all to come in. Come on. Come on. Good girl, come on. Come on, let's go in the house. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys, come on. That's a good girl. Go ahead. Go ahead, you can go in there. Go ahead. Come on, guys, you coming? Huh? You just coming? They're like, we don't want to walk up the steps. Huh? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, it's coming up. Come on. Come on. Say we're going to take you in first, huh? Yeah. Say we're going to take you in first. The puppies don't want to come. Let's get them a drink before we take them in.